Howl. Today is September 16th, 2019. I'm Miss Bella Kirkland.
And I'm Bonnie Martin, and we're bringing you your morning news from the Daily Howl.
College funding and financial aid meeting for seniors and their parents is scheduled for September 23rd at 6 p.m. Make plans to attend.
Want to make a difference in your school and be a positive role model for others? Join the Focus program. Applications are available in Ms. Shaw's office. Deadline to sign up is Monday, September 16th.
Now let's swing on over to Gage with your weather.
Good morning, Fayetteville. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Today your high is in the 90s, and tonight you're going to have your lows in the 70s. And there's not any rain in the forecast, but the background here isn't up to date because the website's down. And be sure to drink all your fluids, and we're going to throw it back to them with the rest of your news.
Thanks, Gage.
FBLA is selling Blue Jean for Babies t-shirts on the March of Dimes. Orders and money are due September 20th.
The Pack Pride School store will be open on Thursday mornings outside Miss Terry's store.
Today, find kindness with yourself. Go the extra mile and show generosity to those around you.
The next FBLA meeting will be September 20th at 2:30 in Miss Terry's room.
And always remember,
You heard it first here on the Daily Howl.
You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step. Another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am, how could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
I'm feeling glorious. The crib looking victorious. You know that we've been going it since we hopped out that DeLorean. I'm caught, things are just things, they don't